This year, we commemorate Westchester University's SESQUICENTENNIAL, 150 years of excellence, as a community of educators who've built an academic powerhouse with a foundation in educating teachers, leaders, and visionaries. Join us this year as we explore the university's history, the elements and people who form our bedrock, and those who are moving WCU forward. Imagine what Westchester looked like 150 years ago, when a group of Chester County civic leaders decided to open a school. High Street was a dirt road. Instead of a quad and academic buildings, there was an open field. Where Hollinger, Schmucker, and Marion now stand, County Fairgrounds stood, and South Campus was farmland. Those foresighted civic leaders asked the community to invest in the Westchester vision by purchasing shares in their school and established a connection to the community that has remained strong to this day. On September 25, 1871, 100 boarding school students and 30 day students arrived for the first day of classes at Westchester Normal School. Through name changes, establishing liberal arts programs, introducing graduate studies, and expanding our curriculum, the Westchester Normal School evolved to become Westchester University. Today, as we celebrate our 150th year, WCU is home to more than 17,700 students, making us the largest university in the state system and the fourth largest university in the Philadelphia region. Students are enrolled in 180 undergraduate and graduate programs, including 4 doctoral degrees on our main campus, at the Philadelphia site, online, and at the Graduate Center. It probably wouldn't surprise our founders that the school has grown into a renowned institution. What might surprise them is the breadth and reach of the recognition. U.S. News ranks WCU in the top 10 public universities regionally and the top 50 universities in the North. Forbes magazine, U.S. News, and Kiplinger's Personal Finance call us a national best value for higher education. Westchester's mission as a community of educators that develops graduates to succeed both personally and professionally and contribute to the common good hasn't truly changed since 1871. It's just expanded exponentially. Westchester has become a place where students find their elements, whether as teachers, scientists, musicians, entrepreneurs, community leaders, or in professions we haven't yet considered. 150 years of history and heritage have shaped Westchester to become the outstanding university it is today. President Christopher Fiorentino sums it up.
Our past works to inform the future, and hope inspires the days ahead. As we celebrate Westchester University's sesquicentennial, our future has never been brighter. I'm confident that Westchester's next 150 years will be just as successful, thanks to the hard work that we are doing now to build a better tomorrow for generations of students to come.
With 150 years of excellence in our history, the future is golden for Westchester University. Happy sesquicentennial, WCU.